Hi, I'm Linda Coopersmith, and this is Closets, Etc., the show that brings you creative design and organizational ideas. If you have a pantry space and it doesn't look like this one, you can have one just like this too. I simply custom built out this pantry with white melamine shelving. It's very easy to do. Follow the shape of the room. As you can see, I used white melamine and I did not use deep shelves. I don't like to use deep shelves in a pantry because sometimes you take the risk of putting different things behind things and things could expire and it could go to waste. Also, I threw in some baskets. These are nice wire baskets with clear plastic lining. What's great about that is you can wipe it clean and nothing will fall through the baskets. Moving along the room here, I even used some L-shaped shelving here for the corner. Above here, I used some vertical partitions. I did that so that I could store cookie sheets and platters. I hope you've been inspired. See you next time.